I don't think most British people realize that you guys have sounds that we just don't. For example, the so-called nurse vowel. I, like most Americans, pronounce it as nurse. But most Brits pronounce it as nurse. Now I know what you're thinking. That's not a different sound. It's just Americans pronouncing the R and Brits not pronouncing the R. But that's actually not true, and I have the perfect word to prove it. How do you pronounce this word? If you're American like me, you probably pronounce the first vowel the exact same as the second vowel. Further. But if you're British, you probably pronounce the two vowels differently. Further. Now that second sound, Americans definitely do have. Take, for example, a word like comma. But the first sound, most Americans just don't have. So, in the original video, when I said that ERM was the British way of spelling that was an oversimplification. Sure, that might be true for most American phonologies, which have merged those two sounds, but for most British phonologies, the two sounds are still distinct. And so in the same way that to Brits, further has two different vowels, even though Americans only perceive it as one, so too are and two different words. Further,